This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. This gorgeous remodeled home is a perfect retreat. From the double balconies, to the gas fire pit, and open floor plan and high ceilings. The large dressing room could be a fourth bedroom or perfect office. First floor bedroom with full bath could be used as a master, guest or in-law area. Close proximity to the Naval Hospital. Large detached 2-car garage is hard to find in this area. Moved and ready to be home for the holidays. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrienne Downing at 757-499-0124.